Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, testing. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to PNG Pacific Capital live streams. Doing the NY session now for the 29th of August 2022. So, welcome. Okay, before we do anything, we're gonna go to Forex Factory see if we have any high impact news coming out this session. Today is Monday. We really have no high impact news coming out apart from the FOMC member Bernard speaking later on, but that's later on during NYSE New York session close. So we're only going to be on the chat for a couple of minutes. Sorry, a couple of hours actually. But I think we're going to go ahead and break this chart down very quickly because I see a potential move playing out now. Just get my terminal up. So looking at the high time frames, we're going to start off on the high time frames, looking at the daily time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, we have pushed bearish since Asian Open. We could potentially start rejecting the 1727, 1728 area. So the previous week's, daily candle, which is last week's Friday's candle, closed above, really closed above this resistance level at 1736. So this session, for this session, we could potentially start driving up, potentially closing back above this resistance area right over here. So, I mean, that's my bias. So I'm only going to be looking for buys for this session. Looking at the 4-hour time frame now. I'm just hopping across the chart to the 4-hour time frame. I'm just going to start off with a clean chart. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, we're currently bullish at the moment. We have 1 hour 50 minutes until this 4-hour candle closes. We're really having some sort of reaction off this level over here at 1730. Really struggling to break above this level, but looking to the left, we could potentially, because of NY volume, we could potentially ignore this support level area to the left at 1730. And if you're going to be looking for buys, we could potentially break this level, come up to 1738, 1739 area, potentially coming back up to 1740. So yeah, looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have the previous 1 hour candle really closing above resistance at what's this price level? 1727. And we're currently driving bearish at the moment. We have 49. We have a full 49 minutes until this 1 hour candle closes. So this 30-minute candle, this previous 30-minute candle also closed above this area. But the chances of price pushing bullish right now is pretty high, unless we come down from some sort of support level to continue bullish. So I think if we're gonna start pushing bullish, I think this is gonna be a very short stream for us for today. What I want to do is I want to have my stops as we break above our current candle high at 1729,500. I think that's where I'm going to have my buy stops. Actually, 1729. See here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I think I want to end off on the candle flip. Maybe if you break a one candle high. So I'm gonna have my buy stop at 1729,500. Really anticipating this 30-minute candle to push bullish, stay bullish, and potentially continuing bullish for one more session. Hmm. 729. Just above the current candle wick. Or maybe at 1729. Yeah, I got my buy stops at 1729. Yeah, guys, we just got in. Um, I think our stop loss is gonna be below the previous 30-minute candle. At 1725. Guys, I think this is gonna be a very nice trade. We're definitely pushing bullish. Definitely. 1729 off. I'm gonna sit down for this. I think at this point, I'm running at like 4 pips. At this point, I want to reduce my loss, my risk a little bit to the previous, cannon body. I'm really anticipating this cannon stay bullish. I really want to manage this on the 1 hour time frame. I really want us to stay bullish at this point. If we could just stay bullish, that would be ideal. We do have clean traffic to the left, so maybe if we break the previous candle high, I'm gonna look to moving stops to break even, or maybe reducing risk to the current candle low here. What's up, Gamer Zone? Can you hear me? Can you hear me clearly, bro? Yeah, we're in some very nice sales right now. Sorry, buys right now. Price really looks very good to drive bullish. Um, just has to follow the rules. I actually moved it back towards the previous 30-minute candle low. Once this 30-minute candle closes, we'll see how this 30-minute candle closes for us to manage risk. As long as we're trading above 1727, I think we're gonna be good to go. The only thing I don't want to see is a fake out and then closure back in the range, bro. That wouldn't be ideal. If this turns out to be if this is a fake out, I'm gonna close my entire trades, trade and look for sales. As long as gold stays above 1727, I think we're. Hey, good evening, bro. Good evening. What's up, bro? Welcome to the Jordan. Lucky. Welcome to the streams, bro. How are you doing? How are you, bro? Ah, very nice, bro. Very nice. Turn 38. So we do have 1 minute until actually this 30-minute countdown is closing now in the next how many seconds right now? Still trading above 1727, so I think, yeah, we also close without a wick at the bottom on the 30-minute time frame, so I think we can start pushing bullish at this point. If we start flipping bullish again, I want to scale in. I want to scale in again at 1729. And I want to tighten my stops to the current 1-hour candle low. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm really gonna anticipate this one hour candle to close bullish. That, my friends, be an awesome trade. But if we do close back below 1727, I want to cut my entire trade at that point. Then this would be a fake out. Do I want to manage my risk and close half my position over here? Yeah, I think when we break our own candle low over here, the previous 30-minute candle low, maybe if we tap 1727, I want to close half of my risk over there. That's what I want to do. Guys, just close half over here. What the hell is happening? If this, let's flag goal, don't go against us. I have taken a trade for buy, waiting for confirmation. Yeah. Yeah. When this 30-minute candle starts breaking the previous candle low, then I want to close half of my risk at this point. I didn't close half my risk. I thought I did, but I didn't. And if we start going back up to 1729, then I'm gonna double down on my position. At this point, I'm really anticipating this 30-minute candle stay bullish. This 30-minute candle right here. I really don't want it to break. Actually not gonna close anything yet. This is a very tricky situation right now. Very tricky situation. This could be a fake out. You know, the only thing that's troubling me is we're still trading above this resistance level of 727. Then this 1 hour candle has 23 minutes left for it to close, and our stop loss is very much in his range over here. Yeah, I'm not gonna close anything as yet. This previous 30-minute also closed without a bottom wick. So at the 30-minute time frame, we also have clean traffic coming down all the way. It's very tricky at this point. Stop pushing bullish now. Like I've already taken a buy, bro. I'm already in buys on gold. Buys, but we're in a pretty much a drawdown at this point. I think I'm gonna just stick to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we're just gonna stick to the 1 hour time frame and see how this kind of closes, because 30-minute time frame is giving me some sort of clarity at this point. Yeah, this one of my candle has to close bullish. If it closes back below 1727, I'm cutting everything off. Everything. Everything. I really don't want to be in this trade if it trade below 727. It's giving me a lot of anxiety. I'm feeling very uncomfortable. But I think we should be okay. It should be okay. I'm pretty much risking my profits made during Asian session, so big deal. No big deal. That's why my stop loss is a little bit bigger at this point. And if we do hit our stop loss, hurt. I really don't want to look at the smaller time frame. It's giving me anxieties. Nick Angulum, yeah, come on, bulls. Jeez. Where them bulls at? Oh no. Here comes anxieties, guys. Here comes anxieties. Oh no. Maybe I should have waited for the previous candle high to be broken. I don't want to touch this trade. If it hits my stop loss, I'm pretty much down for it. One losing day is nothing. So I pretty much risk my profits for Asian session, and yeah, I'm still within my risk parameters for the day. Oh no, man, this is where it gets really uncomfortable, guys. Ugh. Really uncomfortable right now. Hopefully this is a liquidity grab just to drive bullish, but get stopped out, we get stopped out. The market does what it wants. All we can do is go with the flow, manage our risk, practice our discipline. It's all psychology. I mean, it's a loss, it's a loss. If we close back in his range, then I want to consider this pop up to 1729, 500 a fake out. Probably. if we can drive back up and close about 1727, that would be it. But we hit our stop loss. Call it a day at this point. Bro, how many lot sizes? Nah, come on, Game Zone. Stop asking those questions. I'm sticking to my lot sizes. Don't worry about what lot sizes I lose. Just focus. Don't worry about what lot sizes I use. Focus on what lot sizes you. Don't worry about the lot size I use. It's well within my risk parameters for the day, so. Oh well. Mm, yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped out, guys. Mm, I don't know about this, guys. Yeah, I really don't know about this, guys. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be trading below 1727. I'm gonna be uncomfortable right now. I'm thinking of cutting my trade at this point. There we go. Just need to push back up a little bit. What's the daily time frame and the 4 time frame? Always doing some sort of rejection of this support level at 500. He's struggling to break towards 1730 at this point. I mean, the forward candle is still bullish. Forward candle is still bullish. And now we just have to see. Just have to wait and see. Flight to 1733. Yeah, probably do that. Good. We have some decent volume coming in, so I think I ended a little bit too early. I'm just gonna let this trade play out. There we go. Definitely closing back above 1727. So just pop up a little bit. That would be great. Maybe if we reach 10 pips, then we're gonna reduce our stops. I'm still scaling in, guys. I'm still gonna scale in. 1729, I'm scaling in. Definitely popping up to 1730. Push through that level. There we go. We have the new 101 candle opening right now. This is the NY open candle. Yeah. Eventually grab. Very bullish. The only thing that makes these trades still valid is close back above 7027. So that's the only thing that makes the trade valid. No scalings yet. Still in a drawdown, guys. Oh man. guys, I'm reducing my stop loss to the previous 1 hour candle low. Yeah. In a pretty difficult situation right now. The only thing that would be unfortunate is if we drive down, break the previous 1 hour candle low, grab some liquidity, and then drive. That would be very unfortunate. Let's push bullish 1 hour candle, and then that would... We are in NY open now, and there's a lot of volume in this session, so yeah, starting to trade back below 1727. And like, yeah, guys, we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, like I said, if we do break the previous candle low, it's invalid. Trade is invalid. Invalid meaning it's not a condition that we'd like to see. I want to see. And if it breaks the previous 1 hour candle low, then there's no point being in this trade anymore, because we've been in a drawdown for over an hour now. So there's always tomorrow, there's always the rest of the week. It's only Monday. But what is gonna happen is we're not gonna overtrade, and we're not gonna try to make that loss back. Because if we do hit stop loss, pretty much down for the day. This is what happens when you have FOMO and you decide to trade London session when you haven't traded London session in months. Okay, guys, we're gonna stop that soon. Our stop loss is at 17.25.40, which is the previous one kind of low. Oh. Don't get too excited, guys. We start breaking our own lows again. I'm out. Be out of this trade. Guys. Guys, I'm gonna scale in at 729. Guys, just scale in at 729. Breaking above the previous, wanna work on a high now. I think at this point we're gonna start pushing bullish now. Tap 1730, then I'm gonna move. I think we're bullish. So let me just indicate my scaling position. Right here. Haven't really tapped 1730 yet. This is where it gets a little bit tricky at this point, guys. So this is 2 days with 2 days risk. I think we should be okay. So if we tap 1730 again, if we come back down to 1727, then this trade is very much invalid. So ideally we should start pushing bullish at this point. Pushing very nicely right now. Shouldn't flip bearish. That's the only thing. There we go. We're running at like yeah, at this point I'm gonna move my second position stops to break even. Just to reduce risk. We have clean traffic to the left, so should ideally start pushing bullish at this point. Yeah, very nice. We have clean traffic. We have to be confident in our trade, guys. So I really have 2 positions running right now. Clean traffic to the left. Definitely clean traffic to the left. Yeah, guys. Guys, the second position is right over here. Move. I'm supposed to break even right now. Very nice trade, guys. Very nice trade, guys. Very nice trade. Thanks, bro. Thanks, guys. Boom. Much done for the day. Insane, guys. Secure positions at 20, 21 pips. Yeah. Boom. Now he's gonna let everything run to TP. Oh shit. Ilma Katab, what time frame, sir? You see, this is the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. I didn't want to look at the 30-minute time frame because it's just too messy for me. Was really focused on the 1 hour time frame. Really focused on, yeah, it was really, yeah, was really focused on seeing how price was gonna close above 1727. Guys, let me update my IG story. Another winning session, NY session. We have partials running until 1738. But we've been in drawdown for a little bit more than an hour. Basically, we entered when this candle closed outside of this resistance area over here, anticipating this next candle to push up. But we have this candle driving down below. We were in a drawdown for a little bit over an hour, but so guys, another winning session, another winning NY session. I haven't traded NY session for a couple of months. It's very nice to get a win during NY sessions. So basically, we took this trade when this 1 hour candle closed outside of this resistance over here at 1727. So this next 1 hour candle really, we're pretty much in a drawdown for the past hour pre-NY session. We were pretty much in a drawdown, but the only thing that made this trade still valid is we were still trading this 1 hour candle still closed above 1727, and then as soon as this next 1 hour candle started pushing up, we had a scaling over here, pretty much secured profits around 20 pips, 25 pips, move stops to break even, pretty much done for the day. So price action, guys. Price action. As soon as this next one started pushing up, scaling up, it's around. Price action. Guys, I just secured some positions at 35 pips. So guys, another winning session, another winning NY session. Guys, we have partials running at around 38 pips, almost 40 pips right now. So we pretty much took this trade after this one-hour candle closed outside of this resistance area at 1727. After that, we're drawn on for a little bit over an hour, right over here. But what made this trade valid is we still closed above resistance at 1727. So the probability of this current one-hour candle pushing bullish was very high. That's why I had a scale in at around 1729 again. Pretty much secure positions at 20 pips, secure some positions at 35 pips. So much down for the day. See if partials can reach 1738. Price section, guys. Section. Done for the day. So guys, So guys, get up there. So get up there. So 7. So that we Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it a session. Catch you guys doing Asian session tomorrow.